Hello, I'm Carlos Apina, and this is my submission for the Spark Challenge. This project was made for ECE 362 project. I made it with two other members. So I'll start by explaining what we made. So this is we just made a rover here that can, with these wheels with rollers, so it can move around in the four cardinal directions, and we use these L298N motor drivers to control the motors, and we wanted the rover to send back data to the transmitter here, so we put an IMU and an IR sensor on it, and it's transmitted back using XBs. So if I put in the XBs an XB into my transmitter using this adapter, because I very stupidly forgot to cross the TX and RX lines, and if I turn this on, you'll see that it's going to start transmitting data back. And there we go. So you can see the temperature there, ambient temperature, which comes from the IR camera, acceleration data, gyroscope data, and very rudimentary 8x8 matrix of this what's in front of this IR camera. So yeah, that's the basics of what we made. And oh, I should mention the social change aspect is that I plan on continuing this project, and I actually programmed this transmitter here. I was the sole programmer of this, and I did it all in a language called Rust, which is pretty new, and there wasn't many resources to help me learn this. So the social change I would like to make with this project is to open source this entire thing, improve it, write it all in Rust, and optimize the code, and release it, and maybe make some lessons and guides that will help people learn Rust better, and hopefully people have a better time than I did. So yeah, now I'll show you what it's like to drive this around.